Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install XAMPP on Parrot Security OS6. Open Firefox, maximize, go to Apache friends.org. Apache friends.org. See here the definition. XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment. XAMPP is completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP and Perl. It is an open source package, has been set up to be incredibly easy to install and to use. Okay. See here the XAMPP for Linux and its version is 8.2, which means PHP version 8.2. Okay. So click on XAMPP for Linux download. Click on it. Wait a moment, it will download. If it won't download, you have to click here. See, now click, it is going to download in this location. If you want to change, you have to change the path. Click on save. See, download has been started and its size is 153 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, XAMPP download completed. Open terminal. Go to downloads directory. CD ls. See here we have the .run files. We can't run directly it, so we must modify the permissions. 755 XAMPP. Hit enter. Now sudo dot give the XAMPP and hit enter. Wait, it will open the pop-up. See, welcome to the XAMPP setup wizard. Click on forward. See, it is going to install XAMPP core files and XAMPP developer files. See, font is not visible. Click on forward. See, XAMPP will be installed on this /opt and lab. Click on forward. See, it is now ready to install. Click on forward to start the installation of XAMPP on Parrot Security OS6. Click on forward. See, installation has been started. See, installation completed. Click on finish. Click on manage servers. See, Apache web server is running and MySQL database is not started. So to start it, you have to click on start. If you want to start Pro FTPD, you have to select it and here have to click on start. Okay. Now MySQL is started. Close this one. Go to Firefox, new tab, type for localhost. It is saying you have successfully installed XAMPP on this system. Okay. Now create a sample PHP file and execute it or compile it. So now go to install directory, that is /opt lamp ls. See, we have the htdocs. Go to this directory cd htdocs, create a file. Before that, verify. See, we have these files. Simply copy, replace this dashboard with index.php. See, both are same. Okay, now create another PHP file. Touch r2schools.php, sudo touch r2schools.php, Ctrl L to clear screen, vi ls. See, we have the PHP file. Even if you copy this one and replace here, it is blank file, so we will not receive any output. See, it is a blank. Now I am going to add some content to this PHP file. So vi sudo vi r2schools, I2 insert less than symbol PHP, hit enter, echo double quotes or single quotes, welcome to r2schools, close it, echo new line, echo addition, again new line, and the PHP. Save the file, exclamation wq exclamation. Now reload this file. See, we got the output. Even if we add one more line, shift A, echo goodbye. Save it, again reload, we will get the new line. See, okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install XAMPP server on Parrot Security OS6. For more pen testing videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.